Good morning, student. Welcome to Elga class. Great world scientists. First, we will move to phonics section. In phonics section, previous class, we learned sound pattern. Today, we are going to recap all these sound pattern words. US and O sound words. Let us read these words. Nervous, joyous, famous, serious, enormous. Enormous means மந்தமா இருக்கிறது. Jealous, curious, various, glorious, marvelous. Journey, journal, courage, nourish, encourage, discourage, scourge, flourish. Students, all of you open your notebook. You want to write all these words 2 times. Let's start to write now. After you finish, you want to send in Elga 12 group. Now we will move to whole word section. In today's whole word section, I am going to introduce 5 new whole words. First one, wonder. Wonder means a person or thing regarded as very good or remarkable or effective. I wonder why the sky is blue. Named. When you gave a name to someone or somebody. He named his dog Tom. Stopped. When you has finished continuing, it means stopped. He stopped talking to me. Things. An object which does not have a name. I need to buy a few things from the shop. Didn't. Didn't means did not. She did it like the painting. Students, in the whole word section page, note these 5 words. Wonder, named, stopped, things, didn't. Student, do you all note it? Next, we will move to reading and listening comprehension. Is in previous class, SR 11, we saw about Sir Isaac Newton. Today, in Leeds class, you watch the video about Isaac Newton. Just I recap what is in that video. Isaac Newton was born in Lincolnshire, England in 1643, where he grew up on a farm. When he was a boy, he had lots of brilliant invention like a windmill to grind corns, a water clock, and sundial. However, Isaac didn't brilliant marks at school. When he was 18, Isaac went to study at Cambridge University. He was very interested in physics, mathematics, and astronomy. But in 1665, the Great Plague, which was a terrible disease, spread in England and Cambridge University had to close down. Isaac returned home to the farm. He continued studying and experimenting at home. One day he was drinking a cup of tea in the garden. He saw an apple fall from the tree. He think, why do apples fall down instead of up? From this he formed the theory of gravity. Gravity is an invisible force that pulls the objects down the earth and keeps the planets moving around the sun. Isaac was fascinated by light. He discovered that white light is in fact made up of all. He also invented a special reflecting telescope using mirrors. It was much more powerful than other telescopes. Isaac made another very important discovery which he called his three laws of motion. These laws explains how objects move. Isaac laws are still used today for sending rockets into space. Thanks to his discovery, Isaac became rich and famous. However, he had a bad temper and often argued with other scientists. Isaac Newton died in 1727, aged 85. He was buried along with English kings and queens in Westminster Abbey, London. He was one of the greatest scientists and mathematicians who has ever lived. Students, do you all clear? When and where was we learn? When and where was Isaac Newton born, and where did he study, and where did he continue his experiments, what are and all his invention we saw. Like this way in your exam they will give any one scientist, then you want to answer for the comprehension. In worksheet 11, question number 2. For example, like this way they will ask question. Answer the following questions based on the video you saw in class. A. Name 2 of Isaac invention. What are and all the invention? Very good. Windmill to green corns. Then a water clock and sundial, I told. You want to write it in full sentence. A windmill used to grind corn and a water clock are 2 of Isaac inventions. Or you can write it sundial also. Which subject was Isaac interested in? He was interested in physics, mathematics and astronomy. Why did Isaac give to return to his farm from Cambridge University? Why he was returned? He returned to the farm as Cambridge University had to shut down due to the Great Plague. When the apple fell down, what did Isaac think himself? When the apple fell down, Isaac asked himself, why does the apple fall down and not up? ஏன் ஆப்பிள் மேலிருந்து கீழே விழுகுது, மேலே போகாமல் மேலிருந்து கீழே விழுகுதுன்னு சொல்லிட்டு அவர் திங்க் பண்ணார். What does bad temper mean? Someone who gets angry easily. Complete the following sentence. Gravity pulls object towards the earth. Gravity keeps the planets moving around the sun. White light is made up of all colors of the rainbow. Do you all clear, children? Yes, like this way in your examination they will ask questions. Next we will move to the grammar part. In today's grammar class also we are going to learn other simple sentence structure. Now all of you read this sentence. Yes, Raman is happy. The previous class itself we learned what is an adjective. Adjectives describe the noun or pronoun. Noun means what? Is name, place, animal or things. Pronoun, instead of noun, using that word is called pronoun. For example, he, she, it, they, that and all pronoun. Adjectives describe the noun or pronoun. Again read this sentence. Raman is happy. Here the word happy describes the Raman. So happy is an adjective. Raman is the noun. He is a person. How that boy was? The boy is happy. So happy is adjective. Now we will mark parts of a sentence. Raman subject is his verb, then happy is adjective. Read this sentence or write in your notebook and mark all the parts of the sentence, that subject, verb and adjective. Open your notebook. Let's start to write. Raman seems angry. Shyam is funny. Which one is subject? Do you finish? Do you all mark it verb? Adjective? Very good. Now check your answers. Raman is subject, seems verb, then angry adjective. Shyam subject, is verb, then funny is adjective. Good. Next, all of you open your writing and speaking section. That yesterday, previous classes, you wrote the paragraph, that one. Today, you are going to edit and enhance your paragraph using Cups and Om strategy. Just you recall Cups strategy first. You want to use capital letters at the beginning of a sentence for proper nouns for the letter I. Then use the simple sentence structure. Then P for one finger space between the word. Then last you want to check the spelling. Then you want to use the Om strategy also. Add more details. It will give more interest while reading your paragraph. Remove unnecessary words. If there is more unnecessary words, means it will go bore to read your paragraphs. Move words or sentence. The sentence must be in order. Then last, substitute or change words. Try to use new words. Take 10 minutes. After finishing that one, note today's homework. Fill in the blanks with correct sound pattern. Okay, children, leave one line and then write it. Send in Elga 12 group. Thank you.